Welcome back to Steve's Small Engine Saloon.
This is a really good tip. Super easy to at least try this if your belt keeps coming off on your riding lawnmower. You're out there mowing the grass, you have your RPMs turned up all the way, you have your blades engaged just like you should be, and then you realize, okay, now I'm done mowing the grass. You grab that engagement lever and you just turn it off like that, and boom, the belt flips off your mower deck again. By the way, I do have a video already on tensioning the belt that might help you with that too. If you want to see that, I have a link for that video right underneath this video in the description and in the pinned comment. Try this. Before you turn the blades off with this lever, idle your engine down, all the way down to idle, slows your engine down, which in turn slows your belt down, slows your blades down. Once it's down at the idle position, running nice and slow, then turn your blades off, and I'll bet you that's going to help a lot of people out there. The belt is probably not going to come off. Try that out. I think that a lot of you might be quite amazed that that actually works. Your belt won't pop off anymore. And by the way, on a lot of riding lawnmowers, that actually is in the owner's manual. I'm just saying. I hope I helped somebody out there. Cheers. Steve out.